Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand oven and it's giving you an E0511 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it. So the error itself is that the oven is sensing that there is a faulty power module that needs to be replaced. However, with all of these errors that find some kind of fault with the fan, with the heating element, with the power module, it could be that that there is actually a fault there. It could also be that there's a fault with the sensor. It could also be that there's just a fault with the control board. So before you call somebody to come replace your power module, the first thing to do is to just try to do a hard reset and get the electronics back the way they're functioning normally. So just like a computer that's acting up, you got to do the same before you start doing any kind of thing crazy. You're just going to do a hard restart on the computer. You're going to do the same thing with your oven. You're going to disconnect it from power completely. So unplug it from the wall, or if it's likely hardwired, go to the circuit box and turn it off at the circuit and leave it off for at least a minute. And then once that minute's up, you can restore power to it, turn it back on, and that will clear the fault out, and hopefully the fault won't come back because the electronics got realigned and everything like that. And if not, you're probably going to have somebody come out and replace your power module. But anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.